You built it with UV, and you mastered the workflow. Now for the final chapter, publishing your own Python package to PyPI. In this guide, you will build a package with UV Build, upload it with UV Publish, and automate it with GitHub Actions. No twine, no passwords, no setup.
Let's go.
By the end of this guide, your package will be live on PyPI. Anyone on Earth can install it with one command. Pip install hello-pkg. Your README renders right on the page, and the same version uploads from your terminal, and later from GitHub Actions, automatically.
You need 3 things, and all of them are free. 1, UV installed from episode 23. 2, a UV project that is ready to share with a build system already in place. 3, a PyPI account with 2-factor authentication enabled. That's it. Let's prepare your project.
Start with a project that can be packaged. Run UV init hello-pkg. Since UV 0.12, every new project uses the modern SRC layout with the UV build backend. If your project is missing a build system, UV build falls back to the legacy CColors path.
So add one, and you are safe.
One file builds your whole PyPI page. In pyproject.tom, fill in the project table. Name, hello-pkg, lowercase and unique. Version, 1.0.0. Description, README, license, and the Python versions you support. Fill these fields, and PyPI renders your page automatically.
Remember, file names are permanent, so bump your version, never reuse it.
Time to package. One command, UV build. UV builds a source distribution, your raw code, and then a wheel, the installable format, and drops both into a dist folder. Source first, then the wheel from that source. For publishing, best practice is UV build -- no sources. 2 files, ready to ship.
Before you send anything, verify. Run UV check, and UV confirms your lock file and environment are in sync. Bump the version the right way with UV version -- bump patch.
Then smoke test the wheel. UV run -- isolated -- no project. -- with diststar.weld tests smoke _test.py. If it imports, you are ready.
Now the PyPI side. Create a free account at pbi.org, verify your email, and enable 2-factor authentication, which is mandatory for everyone. Then generate an API token. It is shown only once, so copy it and store it securely.
Username is always _token, and the password is the token, including the ppy- prefix. PyPI no longer accepts passwords for publishing.
PyPI is permanent, so practice first on Test PyPI. It is a separate site with a separate account and 0 consequences. Register the test index in pyproject.toml, then publish with UV publish -- index test PyPI. Same workflow, same command, nothing to lose.
Everything checks out. Now the real one, UV Publish. UV uploads both files, and within seconds, your package is live on PyPI. Open the project page, and your README is rendered. The install button is ready, and anyone in the world can pip install your package.
PyPI even stamps the upload as made by UV.
Now automate it all? GitHub Actions and PyPI speak OpenID Connect, so no secrets are stored anywhere. Push a version tag, and the workflow builds your package, generates POP 740 attestations, and publishes with UV Publish. Trusted publishing is now used by more than 50,000 projects, a tag away every release.
Real publishing, real errors. Invalid token? Recreate it, and use __token as the username. FreeSLAM already used? PyPI keeps file names forever, so bump the version and rebuild. Password upload rejected? That's normal. PyPI requires tokens or trusted publishing since 2024. Attestations rejected?
Use UV publish -- no attestations. Every error has a 1-line fix.
And that is with the whole journey. 1. UV init gives you a build system. 2. UV build creates your stist and wheel. 3. UV check and a smoke test keep you honest. 4. Test PyPI lets you practice for free. 5. UV Publish ships it to the world.
6.
GitHub Actions makes releases a tag away. Your code is now a package. Happy publishing. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Coming next, UV workspaces and monorepos.